please subscribe my MJPB television channel and hit the notification bell on so that you never miss my next upload. Hi guys, today also I'm going to Kengkai bazar to get cut my beard. My friend is also accompanying me. Lockdown is extended once again for the third time till May 17. Some shops are opening, but still salons and the shopping malls are closed. So we need to go a long distance to barber's house to get cut our beard. Now we start our journey. We are going to Kengkai via bazar because we need to buy insecticide for vegetables and some vegetable seeds. Before reaching bazar, you will see many beautiful buildings of CIT, Central Institute of Technology. That institution is providing a master degree in many departments. I bought long bean vegetable seeds. I bought insecticide also to give to the vegetable. I must buy it, otherwise my wife will scold me, because it is my wife's order to buy insecticide. From Tinali again we are moving towards Kengkai because our destination is barber's house. Kengkai. Finally we have reached the house of the barber, but unlucky barber is not available at home. We are going to another barber's house because anyway we have to get our beard cut today. Oh, bener. This barber is also not available today. We are very sad today what to do. We are only satisfied with the scenery we have seen in his house. That green plants look so beautiful. It is beautifully decorated. बिराद समायना सिनारि बिसिनि बाथौ दिनै जों नुनाय बिराद मोजां मोनबाय जोंना खामानिया दिनै दारि सिनजानोसो फैदोंमोन दा सिनग्रायानो गैया थांफिननांसिगोन न'आव Bye. We went further inside the remote villages of the Kengkai to search for the barber, but no one is present. So now we are coming back. Now we have to take a little rest in Kengkai Bazar to have a little refreshment. हाजाम नागिरै मेंनानै दखानाव बुजाबाय Now, before going home, I'm going to visit one of my friend's house in Kengkai because our mission is incomplete now. Our mission was to meet barbers and to get cut with beard, but none of the barber is present. Right now, I am in Kengkai in one of the house of my friend, Rilen. He is a businessman. Presently, he is staying at Kokrajhar. Now he has come to visit his old house here in Kengkai. We are coming from our friend's house and we are going towards Tinali, and at Tinali we will stop for a while to buy blades.
Because there is no salon, all salons are closed. Today I need to get my beard shaved myself with razor, so I'm going to buy new blades.
Buying new blades so that I can cut my beard myself at home by razor. After buying this, I will go home directly without stopping anywhere, and I will cut my beard. Please stay tuned how I cut my beard myself, because it will be my first time, because I used to go to salon every day. But coming back home now. Corona happening or what?
Now I had arrived home now from Kengkai after searching barber. I have not cut my beard myself for more than 5 years. I always used to go to the salon.
This is the blade. Its price was rupees 15. There are 5 pieces of blade inside this. Now I am going to take out one. And now I am going to fix this blade to this razor. Now it is ready.
Now I'm making my beard wet with the water.
Now finish now. Now I have finished shaving my beard. This vlog is very simple, and it is all about my suffering during this lockdown in getting cut my hair and getting shaved my beard. I went here and there in search of barbers. Today also I went to many barbers' house to get shaved and to get cut my hair, but I didn't meet them because they were not available at home. So I came back sadly. When I came back home, I bought a new blade at Tinali Bazar to get cut my beard. And hit the notification bell on so that you never miss my next uploads.